My dear Sanskrit learners, welcome you all my channel Scoring Sanskrit. All of you know that in easy method also we can learn the Sanskrit. I have explained about Varnamala in earlier video. Please watch my earlier video about Varnamala where I have explained Swara, Vyanjana etc. separately and clearly. Here in this video, I focus on Purnaksharani means full letters and Samyuktaksharani means compound letters as well as Varna Vinyasaha. So let us come to the point now. Purnaksharani. Purnaksharani means Gunitaksharani in English, full letters. How will come Purnaksharam? Vyanjanam means Halanta plus Swara equal to Purnaksharam. Vyanjana means Halanta like K to Ha. Pure Vyanjana like this will be written. Here down I have made 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. In these columns I have given very simple method, the Purnakshara, again Matras and then exercise in column number 3 and column number 4. I have taken first letter of Vyanjana, K. K plus A, K. K plus A, Ka. K plus E, Ki. K plus E, Ki. K plus U, Ku. K plus U, Ku. K plus Ru, Kru. K plus A, K. K plus I, Kai. K plus O, Ko. K plus Au, Kau. K plus Kam. K plus Aha, Kaha. So once again I will say all the letters easily. You have to apply for all the letters like that. I repeat this. K, Ki, Ki, Ku, Ku, Kru, Ke, Kai, Ko, Kau, Kam and Kaha down. In second column, I have taken another Halanta, P, and then I have shown P plus A, P plus A, Pa like that. But later on in this column, Matras I have given. Here in red color, Matras. A ki matra, Choti ki matra, Badi ki matra, O ki matra, U, R, Ye, I, O, Au, Aha. In third column and fourth column, I have given some other part for your exercise. Here, ta plus dash equal to ta. I have given. Here, ta to tam taha. Till that, I have given the full Purnaksharas, but in between I left out all the vowels here. Whichever vowels will come, you can see after this slide. Now in column number 4, you have to add the matras. See here, sa plus a, sa plus a, sa plus e, sa. Like this I have given. Mean consonant I have given here, and then in between swaras I have given. Later on only sakara I have written. You have to add the matras like badiya ki matra, choti ki matra, badi ki matra, Choti U ki matra, Badi U ki matra, like that. Your exercise column 3 and then 4, I have given the key answers here. All the swaras you have to add in order, and then for column number 4, all the answers I have given with matras in different color. Now I go for next point, that is compound letter. What is the compound letter? How it be created? See there. Vyanjanam plus Vyanjanam equal to Samyuktaksharam. Spelling of pure compound letter means Samyuktakshara is very difficult. That is why you have to add any swara and then try to practice. So same way I have continued in such way. I have written here to easy spell, add any swara and practice. See examples I will explain also here. Vyanjana plus Vyanjana. Here Ka Vyanjana, Sha Vyanjana. To easy spell added A equal to Ksha. In word, see there, Akshara. Then Ta plus Ra plus A equal to Tra, Atra. J plus Nya plus A equal to Jna, Jnani. D plus Ya plus A, Dya, Adya. Here Sh plus T plus Ra, 3 letters I have given here, plus a Shtra, Rashtra. Here Akshara means alphabet, Atra here, Jnani wise person, Adya today, Rashtra nation. Next, Sh plus P plus A equal to Shpa, Pushpam, flower. This is the word Prasiddha, Prasiddha equal to P plus R plus A, pra. Then sa plus e, c. Da plus dha plus aha, dha, like that. Then some other examples given here. Da plus o plus a equal to dva. Sha plus va plus a equal to shva. Na plus ya plus a nya. Bha plus ya plus a bhya. Na plus ta plus e nti. Cha plus cha plus a cha. Ta plus ta plus e ti. Gh plus na plus a ghna. Na plus na plus aha naha. Sa plus ka plus rh skr, like that. Then Varna Vinyasaha, mean Varna Vicheda and Varna Samyoga called Varna Vinyasaha. I have given here 2 examples, 1 and 2. Phalam, Fa plus A plus La plus A plus Ma. This is Varna Vicheda. Here I have given word, then I have split here. Ashta, A plus Sha plus Ta plus A. This is Varna Vicheda. This is Varna Samyoga. Part of compound letter, I will give you someone very important point where children will go to do many times mistakes in writing as well as while reading. See there, Rakarasya Visheshata, speciality of Rakara. I will give some of the examples how to write. If first Rakara, see here, Rakara, then other Vyanjana, mean here Tha. Ra plus Tha plus Aha, Arthaha. See there, upside half moon circle you can see to indicate Rakara. Arthaha, see there, top. Then next example, Ra plus Ya plus Aha, Ryaha, Suryaha, upside. Rakara spelling will be shown in upside. Next, Ra plus Na plus Aha, Rnaha, Karnaha. Ra plus Sha plus A, Sha, Varsha. Mean if the Rakara first, then Vyanjana, then Rakara spelling will be shown like that, half moon signal like that. Now second type. If first other Vyanjana, see there, Ma, Ka, Bha, Ta like that. Then Rakara, here Ra, Ma plus Ra plus a Mra, Amra, mango. See there, bottom it is shown the Rakara spelling. Then Ka plus Ra plus a Kra, bottom it is shown Vakra, zigzag like that. Then Bha plus Ra plus a Bhra, Brahmara. Then Ta plus Ra plus a Tra, Atra. Dear learners, again and again see both the examples here, Varsha and Vakra like that. Then upper side Rakara spelling, first Rakara. Downside if there Rakara signal, then second it is Rakara. Dear learners, I hope that this teaching you feel happy and you feel easy with Sanskrit. So I am thinking to give more and more easy method and easy lessons in upcoming videos. Please subscribe and press on the bell button, so you will get frequently the easy Sanskrit videos, and then you may get good marks also in upcoming exams also. Thank you. Have a nice day.